Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be discussing about the effective crypto trading strategies for everyone, right? If you are a beginner or even if you are intermediate or whatever you are. This is gonna be the first episode of crypto trading that you can say. Right. So welcome to the masterclass or whatever you want to say it. So this is gonna be first trading class and we will be discussing about everything over here. So stay tuned. This ain't gonna be like 1 hour, 2 hour long, but we'll be discussing the basics over here. And after that, we'll get into the main part. So let's get started without doing any further delays, right? Okay. All right. So let's get started without any further delays, as I told you. So effective crypto trading, right? Effective crypto trading for everyone. This video is gonna be like, even if you are a beginner, even if you are intermediate, whatever you are, this video is gonna be for you. So pay attention while I am, working through the slides and all. I will be later showing you guys exactly how it works on the market, and definitely I will show you guys live as well. You can check out further videos as well for reference. All right. So what will be the contents of this video, right? So understanding the basics of crypto trading, fundamental analysis in crypto trading, and three, technical analysis for crypto trading. All right. So first, understanding the basic of crypto trading. So definition of crypto trading, you already know what is cryptocurrency, right? So it's blockchain and every kind of thing we know. So let me just explain it to you once again. So cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it difficult to, counterfeit. It operates on a decentralized technology like blockchain, as I told you, which ensures transparency and security. There are thousands of cryptocurrency, each serving different purposes, right? So major types includes Bitcoin, a store of value, Ethereum, platforms for smart contract and stable coins, which maintains a stable value again, fiat currencies and all, as I told you. Now, how does crypto trading work? ठीक है, क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग क्या होता है, ये काम कैसे करता है? So trading platforms and exchanges. Crypto trading takes place on platforms known as exchanges, right? Where users buy, sell, or trade currencies. These platforms vary in features and regulations, influencing ease of use and security and transparency of security trading and all. So order types like market versus limit order. There are two types of order in this place. So one is market and the another one is like limit order, right? So market orders execute trades at the current market price. So if the market price is like 110 rupees or suppose $20, so the execution will be done at that price point, right? Ensuring quick execution, while limit orders set a specific price for buying or selling. Suppose I want to buy at 110 and the market is right now at 100. So I will set, limit orders. All right. While limit orders set a specific price for buying or selling, as I told you, offering more control over transaction costs, but with potential delays. You know, suppose the market is moving at 100 rupees right now and I want to buy it at 110. So I will have to wait for a certain time. That's how it works. All right. Now, part two, fundamental analysis in crypto trading. So crypto trading, is very volatile market and it's very risky as well. But you need to understand that how this market operates, the psychology behind it, and then only you will be able to, become a profitable trader over here, right? Now, the importance of market research. So you also believe that before starting a business or whatever you do, it is very crucial for you to understand and analyze the market or business whatever you are entering in, right? So analyze in white papers and roadmaps. So let me just tell you how it works. Before taking any kind of trades and all or buying a stock, you need to do proper analyzing, research and all, right? White papers provide essential informations about crypto's underlying technology and goals. Roadmaps outline the project's plan, development, and making it crucial to assess their feasible and clarity. All right. Now, crypto works mainly on news and social media insight, right? Suppose Trump Dada told about the tariff and also market will fall or go up. So these are the like basic things, and elections are also a part of it. So US market, majorly impacts this crypto market, I would say. Staying updated with news and trends on social media platforms helps traders gauge market sentiments and potential impact on cryptocurrency prices, guiding informed trading decisions, right? So now evaluating project fundamentals, right? So team and development community. You cannot trade alone in this, trading whole scenario and all. You need to trade with a community of people, right? Because you alone cannot monitor every ups and downs, every trades, every swings, and everything is not feasible. So the success of a crypto project often depends on the expertise and credibility of its development team and community. So this is slightly offbeat from the crypto trading. I would say this is like for the community. If anyone is interested in building crypto community, by the way, I am into crypto community. Do let me know if you guys are also interested. Now, evaluating their background can indicate the project reliability and potential of success. So various projects are based on cryptos and all, decentralized platform, I would say. Now use case and market demand. A strong use case ensure that a cryptocurrency solves a real problem. Now if you are into crypto field and all, you will know how it works. While customer demand can drive adaptation, assessing both factors in demanding determining the project long term viability and growth prospect, right? Now part 3, technical analysis for crypto trading. So candlesticks, so these are the basic patterns or basic things that I am telling. If you want to deep dive into this kind of things, do let me know in the comment section. I will bring a detailed video about this crypto thing. So candlestick pattern, right? So candlestick pattern are visual representation of price movement in the cryptocurrency market. Understanding this patterns helps traders identify market trends and potential reversal point. So candlestick pattern, right? There's a green and blue or a green and red candle you would have seen in the market. So what does this kind of pattern indicates? Hammer pattern is there, the necklace pattern, and a lot of patterns are over there. Shooting star, morning star, whatever you want to say, a lot of patterns are over there. So candles pattern are visual representation of price movement in the cryptocurrency market, right? So, understanding these patterns helps traders identify market trends, potential reversal points, and every other things. Now, there is this support and resistance level. This is like the basic fundamental of this. Now, I would ask my editor to put a candle or image over there to give you guys a clear idea. Support and resistance is like, suppose the market is right now moving at suppose 50 rupees, and the support is like at 60, and the resistance would be at 40. So it depends for buying or selling, it will be different scenarios, right? Support and resistance levels are crucial concepts in technical analysis. They indicate price points where the market tends to stop and reverse, assisting trades in making informed decisions, right? Now, indicators and tools for traders. So these are the basic indicators: moving average and RSI, right? So moving average smooth out price data to identify trends, while the relative strength index RSI assesses whether an asset is overbought or oversold, guiding traders in their entry and exit points. Now about the Bollinger Band and MCAD, that I would say McCAD. Bollinger Band measures market volatility. So these is very crucial if you are trading on volatility, providing insights into price levels, while the moving average consider convergence divergence, that is McCAD, helps traders identify potential buy and sell based on the momentum shift. Now there is another thing, that is PE ratio, I would say. Then call put ratio is also there. A lot of things are there that I have discovered, or that I have disclosed on my other videos. You can check them out as well. So these are like, this is the basic crypto idea for you guys, like how you can start trading in the cryptocurrency or crypto market. So this is the basic thing, I would say. Now let me just show you guys about the other thing. All right, so this is apparently the crypto market or the platform from where you can start trading. As you can see, this is the demo account that I have created just to show you guys how it works and all, right? So you can already get the idea, like the support and resistance I will be showing you guys live over here. So this is the resistance and this is the support. So you cannot see the market, it has gone up or down. So let me just draw a line for you guys. So this is like the support, right? I mean, and this will be Wait, just let me draw it out. So I am just giving it a rough line as you can see right now. I guess you guys can get a clear idea about the support and resistance as you can see. Now resistance is over there, support is over there. The market ain't gonna fall below this. So I have not drawn it actually perfectly. It will be somewhere around here, and this will be a big thick line over here. I will show you guys in detail everything how it works and how you can take the trade. Suppose I am planning to do a buy call over here. So this is like market pending, and this is like the limit order as you can see, and this is the market order. So if I am to buy over here, so I will recommend you to always take a stop loss. So suppose I am buying over here and I will put a candle low stop loss over here, that is something like this. And since I am buying one lot and it's on 1 hour, so I would recommend you while making entries, do it in 5 or 1 minute, 1 minute time frame. Now this is definitely not where I would want to put my stop loss. My stop loss I would definitely like to put somewhere near over here. So this is where I would like to put my stop loss, and then I would like confirm to buy. As you can see, my profit or loss, whatever I am gaining over here, you will be able to see it over there. So this is like my point, and if I am going to be leaving it, I would just put it over here and I would just take a stop loss that is not above this. So minimum, yeah, so I would put it somewhere around here. Yeah, so as you can see, around 1 is to this would be too much. So suppose I am putting it over here for the timing just for reference, and I would click on modify. And as you can see, my order is over here. It's already been done, and you guys can get a clear idea. Now let me show it to you over trading views as well. So these are like candle patterns are there. A lot of things are there. If I am being honest over here, a lot of things are over here. Let me just show it to you. So if I am drawing a trend line over here, you can see the fall. Yeah, you can see it followed by a trend line. It went like this and then boom. So yeah, so these are the basic things. Right now I won't be going into deep kind of this video. This video was just for basic idea. Let me know whether I was able to made it clear about the trading thing or not. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and keep watching this kind of videos. I keep on uploading this live market analysis and all as well. Now yeah, I am not showing you appropriately over here, but a lot of things I show. So that's it for this video. Goodbye. Good night. Sayonara.